Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular USB microphones, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone and the MRSDY USB microphone. We will be evaluating these products based on different categories to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews. Let's get started. Let's start by talking about the price. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone is priced at $59, while the MRSDY USB microphone is available for $29. Both offer great value for their respective price points, so it ultimately comes down to your budget. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones perform exceptionally well. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone offers a wide frequency response and handles high SPLS with ease. On the other hand, the MRSDY USB microphone incorporates a noise reduction feature, minimizing background noise for clearer audio recordings. It's a close call, but both microphones deliver excellent sound quality. In terms of durability, the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone boasts rugged construction for long-lasting performance. It also comes with a durable arm set, including a broadcast suspension boom scissor arm and a double pop filter. On the other hand, the MRSDY USB microphone features an attractive design with built-in RGB lights for added flair. It also includes a desk microphone stand, providing convenience for various setups. Both microphones offer reliable build quality and useful accessories. In terms of ease of use, both microphones offer a simple plug-and-play setup. The FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone provides a direct connection to your computer or laptop without any additional hardware. Similarly, the MRSDY USB microphone is compatible with PC, Mac, PS4, PS5, and more, offering a hassle-free experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, both microphones are easy to attach and use. That wraps up our comparison between the FIFINE Studio Condenser USB microphone and the MRSDY USB microphone. Both products have their own strengths, so it ultimately boils down to your personal preferences and requirements. We hope this video helped you in making a decision. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.